Bullish Near protocol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $14.63 and $31.86 by 2030. Market experts accept Near could reach $14.63 by 2025. Bearish Near protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is $2.60. Near protocol presentation. Since its modest starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near protocol has rapidly developed to cooperate with a portion of the business top monsters, performing on a vertical direction since its commencement, with the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the basis for Web 3.0. The Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this Near protocol audit, we'll assess the organization's key highlights, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost forecasts. What is Near protocol? Near protocol is a Layer 1 public verification of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and designer cordial stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polisukhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, consolidating their previous experience to its most prominent benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project, however, wound up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near protocol was conceived as a brilliant agreement-skilled blockchain. Near was intended to have dapps and spotlight on ease of use, contending with other shrewd agreement-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS. Near has integrated a few highlights to increase ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to cooperate with shrewd agreements and dapps without requiring a wallet and consolidates comprehensible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can mediate. Near means to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut environment, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, character, and cache without requiring consent or outer stages. Near protocol has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange charges on the stage. Near approves and settles exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and deceitful movement by boosting validators with Near crypto tokens. With the Near protocol expected to explode further from here on out, the symbolic's worth is probably going to take action accordingly. Near protocol major investigation. While Near can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Purplish Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has a remarkable selling point. With the circulated number of validators, the Near network is gotten with no weak link. This forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune, and furthermore counters different shortcomings generally found in most halfway controlled cloud stages. The Near protocol's essential objective is to engage clients to recover control of their resources, information, and administration. Beneath, we've assessed a portion of the critical elements of the Near protocol. Versatility. The most surprising part of Near's exhibition is its speed and adaptability. Utilizing its Doomslug block creation procedure and Nightshade sharding framework, the Near organization can handle up to 100,000 exchanges each second, twofold that of contenders like Solana. The organization likewise settles exchanges in under a moment, with a very low exchange expense. The mix of Nightshade and Doomslug helps increment throughput, further develop productivity, and decrease the heap on the organization, bringing about lightning-quick exchanges. Short-sighted and advantageous. With comprehensible record names, Near protocol makes the universe of crypto easier and more open for ordinary clients all over the planet. Near protocol specialized examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous outstanding names in the business, like the trustworthy entrepreneur Reserve Andreessen Horowitz. It has additionally cooperated with other unmistakable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, Meta Web Adventures, and Einsville Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Transition, Mintbase, and Paris have additionally effectively utilized Near to assemble reasonable, fast, and decentralized open market protocols. Close by the $350 subsidizing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting critical cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. Assuming that Near's set of experiences of close associations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off altogether from here on out. Near protocol current cost. Near protocol is at present worth $3.25 USD. Near has moved 0.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $214,623,993. Near protocol is at present position 29 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,686,052,758 USD. Near protocol value expectation 2022. Near Protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The near cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $4.88. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $4.55 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable in the near future given expected joint efforts and headway. Near is supposed to have a base worth of $3.90. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Near Protocol near cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Near will before long outperform $8.13. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Near's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Near will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.50 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.15. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $11.38 and Near may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Near is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $10.40 and a low of $9.75 in 2024. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Near Protocol effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Near coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Near will be green in 2025. The Near is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $14.63, with a base cost of $13 and a typical cost of $13.65. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Near cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.90 by 2026, with a base cost of $16.25 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Near has a greatest value worth of $17.88. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $20.16. If Near figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $21.13. Neglecting to assemble the help Near needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $19.51. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2028. While Near is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $22.76 and a yearly cost close above $24.38 in 2028. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Near Protocol will at last outperform its past ATA